tucked down a quiet country lane in peaceful Kamlaki. This coastal delight will wow you from the moment you see this impressive facade. Welcome to my newest listing, 7392 Ivy Lane. Only 20 minutes from Sarnia, but a world apart, this unique coastal setting is something you simply must feel and see to enjoy yourself. Give me or your realtor a call today and set up a private viewing.